Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use chat like a pro. Start with a clear and specific question or prompt. Chat is designed to provide answers based on the information. Use complete sentences and proper grammar. Chat responds better to complete sentences written in proper grammar. Avoid using shorthand or text speak as this can result in confusion or misunderstandings. Provide context and background information. The more context and background information you provide, the better chat will be able to understand your question to provide exact answers. Ask follow-up questions. If you need more information or clarification, ask follow-up questions. Chat is designed to continue a conversation, so don't be afraid to engage in a dialogue. Use complete sentences and proper grammar. Chat responds better to complete sentences written in proper grammar. Avoid using shorthand or text speak as this can result in confusion or misunderstandings. Use complete sentences and proper grammar. Chat responds better to complete sentences written in proper grammar. Avoid using shorthand or text speak as this can result in confusion or misunderstandings. Be patient. Chat is a language model, and it may take some time to process and respond to your query. Avoid repeating your question multiple times or typing in all caps, as this won't make the model respond faster. Be mindful of sensitive topics. Chat was trained on a diverse range of texts, which may include information that is offensive, untrue, or harmful. Before asking questions about sensitive topics, consider if it's necessary and appropriate to do so. Ask follow-up questions. If you need more information or clarification, ask follow-up questions. Chat is designed to continue a conversation, so don't be afraid to engage in a dialogue. Customize your prompt. Depending on the platform or API you're using to access chat, you may be able to customize your prompt to better suit your needs. For example, you may be able to specify the maximum length of the response, the type of information you want the model to return, or the level of detail you're looking for. Take advantage of these customization options to get the best results from chat. Use the API. If you're a developer or data scientist, you may be interested in using the Chat API to build custom applications or integrate the model into your workflows. The API provides a flexible and scalable way to access the power of chat, and it allows you to build custom applications that take advantage of the model's capabilities. Collaborate with others. If you're working on a project or task that requires multiple people to collaborate, consider using chat to help streamline your work. For example, there may be pre-trained models that are optimized for answering questions about a particular topic, generating creative writing, or providing recommendations. By using these pre-trained models, you can get even better results from chat and achieve your goals more efficiently. By following these tips, you'll be able to use chat like a pro and get the most out of your experience. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, these tips will help you get the best results from chat and achieve your goals more efficiently. So, start using chat today and see what you can accomplish.